Forgotten username recovery failed on Emma Fix. If you've tried recovering your username on the Emma app and it keeps failing, don't panic. This is a common issue, and most people misunderstand what's actually happening. The surprising truth is that Emma doesn't use usernames for login at all. Instead, your account is tied directly to your email address, making recovery simpler once you know where to look. Here's how to fix it. Open the Emma app or go to the official website. On the login screen, tap Forgot Password or Trouble Logging In. Enter your registered email address, the one you used when signing up. Emma will send you a secure login or reset link within minutes. Clicking that link will take you straight back into your account. If the email doesn't arrive, check your spam or junk folders. Sometimes automated messages end up there. Still nothing? Try another email you might have used before, maybe a work or secondary address. Searching your inbox for past Emma notifications or receipts can also help you confirm which email is linked to your account. If you've lost access to your registered email, contact Emma's support team. Provide details like your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of any connected bank account. Once verified, they can help you regain access safely. Most users get this wrong because they're looking for a username recovery option that doesn't exist. Emma simplified its login process by eliminating usernames entirely, focusing instead on secure email-based access. So if your forgotten username recovery failed, don't stress, just use your registered email, follow the recovery link, and you'll be back managing your finances on Emma in no time.